Welcome back students. Again, today we will discuss an algebraic expressions, the multiplications of algebraic expressions. So let's start. First of all, what is algebraic expressions? An expression what is an algebraic expression? That means a combination of constants and variables. A combinations of constants and variables connected by four operations plus minus multiplication and division are called algebraic expressions. We have discussed well. You know about what is algebraic expression? That means the combinations of constant and variables connected by four operations plus, minus, division, multiplication are called algebraic expressions. You know very well. Suppose 2x plus 3y, then 4x square minus 3x plus 8, or 4x cube minus 2y square minus 8 plus 6z. These are the algebraic expressions. Here x, y, you know the x, y, z, these are the variables, and the numbers, they are the constant numbers. So what is algebraic expressions? You got an idea. Then what are the expressions, type of expressions? First you know that the separated by terms plus or minus, that is known as terms. In the expressions there are some terms are there. So what are the terms? Those expressions are separated by only plus and minus, they are known as the terms. Means parts of algebraic expression are separated by plus and minus are called terms. Suppose this one, this plus separated by two terms, 2x plus 3y, these are two terms separated by the symbol plus. Example लिखा देते हैं 2x plus 3y, these are two terms, that is 2x, another is 3y, two terms. Here 4x square minus 3x plus 8, this is three terms, because 4x is a single term separated by minus, this is another term, this is another term. These are the three different terms, two terms. Now we have different types of terms. What are the terms? First, types of terms. लाएंगे पहले मोनोमियल. Monomial, that is expression having single term. An algebraic expression having single term known as monomial. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं 4x 3x cube 4z square minus 2/3y etc. This is monomial. Then binomial. You know bi means two. That means an algebraic expression having two terms. And algebraic expressions having two terms are called binomial expressions. For example, 4x plus 2y or 4x plus 8, 3x minus z, 4x square minus 8, etc. These are binomial terms. Then trinomial. An algebraic expression having three terms. For example, 4x square minus 2x plus 8. Then 4z plus 3x plus 6y or 3y square minus y plus 7. Then algebraic expressions having three terms, that is trinomial. Then algebraic expression having four terms, quadrinomial, and so on. That's why we are moving to basically we learn about monomial terms, binomial, trinomial. These three terms we learn, and having four terms, that is biquadrinomial, 5 terms, 6 terms, and so on. So many terms, that will be the so on with. Now we learn about multiplication of the algebraic expressions, that may be monomial, binomial or trinomial. पहले monomial को पढ़ेंगे. First we learn about multiplications of monomial, then binomial, then trinomial. Multiplication of monomials by monomials. तो हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन मोनोमियल के साथ मोनोमियल्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सपोज वी हैव अनदर टर्म 3x to multiply with 4x. First we have to multiply the numbers. 4 3s are 12, x into x, that is x square. We have learned in exponent. Just this term. Suppose there come x square into x3. Just you have learned in exponents, that is if base are same shall be added. X square into x3, that is x to the power 5. 3 plus 2 5. Just power to be added. If that is 4x square into 8x4, just 4 8 4 is 32. 4 plus 2 6. X to the power 6. Just base are multiplied, the constant numbers are multiplied, the base means same, and this is 4 to just added. Then suppose 3y to the power square into 4x. Just 4 3s are 12 and multiplication of x and y square, that is xy square. Suppose fraction comes minus 1 by 2y into 3 by 4z. So it's multiplication of minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. Then y into z, that is minus 3 by 4 to the 8 yz. This way we have to multiply the multiplications of monomials. The monomials should be multiplied by this way. Then We will multiply multiplication of monomials by binomials. Multiplications of monomials by binomial. Suppose 4x is a monomial term and we have to multiply it binomial term 3x plus 7. So how to multiply? Here we have to 4x to be multiplied with 3x and 4x to be multiplied by 7. इसका मतलब है 4x को हम 3x के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे and 4x को 7 के साथ भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So it should be written 4x into 3x. Here the symbols that plus, here should be the plus. 4x plus 4x into 7. That is 4 3 is 12. X into x, x square plus 7 4 is 28 x. 28 x. Similarly, we have to take another example. Suppose here 3x square should be multiplied with 2y minus 8. Same process, just 3x square should be multiplied with 2y. Then here symbol is minus, so should give minus 3x square should be multiplied with 8. So 3 2 is 6 x square y minus 3 8 3 is 24 x square. So this is the way in which we have to multiply multiplication of monomials by monomials. The simple process. So multiply with both terms. Then we have to multiply multiplications of binomials by binomials. Suppose the term is given a plus b should be multiplied with c plus d. Here what to do? The first एज योर चॉइस, तुम्हारे चॉइस के हिसाब से एक को हम कंस्टेंट रखेंगे, दूसरे को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सपोज हम इसको कंस्टेंट रख रहे हैं सी प्लस डी को, ए को ओपन कर रहे हैं ए प्लस सी प्लस टी प्लस बी होल इनटू सी प्लस टी. हमने सी प्लस डी को कंस्टेंट रखा, ए इंटू सी ए सी प्लस ए डी प्लस बी सी प्लस बी टी, ए इंटू सी ए सी, ए इंटू डी ए डी, b into c bc plus b into d bd. By this way we have to multiply. This is the multiplications of binomials to binomials. Suppose हम example लेते हैं 2x plus y should be multiplied with 3x plus 8. So as your choice you can take constant this way or you can constant by this number. पहले इसको constant रखें, इसको भी constant रख के कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पर लिख लेता हूँ. और you can take a constant same number a plus b c plus t, that is constant रखना है a plus b को c whole into a plus b plus b whole into c plus t. So same number ac bc a plus b that is c plus t, c whole into a plus b that is not b that is d, AC BC that is CD plus P square. कैसे हो गया? A plus गलत लिख लिया. Here I take mistake, that is C whole into A plus B plus D whole into A plus B. That is AC BC then AD plus BD. The result remains AC, AD, BC, BD. Here also AC, BC, AD and BD. Clear? Then I take another example. 2x whole into 3x plus 8 plus y whole into 3x plus 8. That is 3 2 just 6x square plus 16x plus 3xy plus 8y. Addition with this power अलग 16x कुछ नहीं होगा, that is 6x square plus 16x 3xy plus 8y is the answer. In this way we have to multiply the multiplications of binomials with binomials. A simple term, how to multiply the multiplications of binomials and binomials. Then multiplications of trinomials. Trinomials by binomials. Same things, nothing else. You just कर लेते हैं, that is binomial and trinomial. So same, this way you can write a plus c plus d plus e plus b whole into c plus d plus e. That is ac, ad, ae plus bc plus bd plus b. और कुछ ऐड होगा नहीं होगा, ac ac ad ae bc bd be. This is the result. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. An example, that is suppose x plus y whole into 2x plus 3y plus 6. So first we constant x whole into 2x plus 3y plus 6, then plus y whole into 2x plus 3y plus 6. What is the answer? That is 2x square 3xy, then 6x 2xy 3y square plus 6y. Then look, what are addition? 2x square, here 3xy 2xy 3 2 plus 5xy, then 6x 6y 6x plus 6y plus 3y square. What is the answer? This is the answer. This is the multiplications of trinomials and binomials. So these are the fundamental things, how to multiply of monomials and multiplications of binomials with binomials, then multiplication of trinomials with binomials. These are the fundamental things, and I have taken one example how to multiply. That is very easy. Just you practice it and understand the concept clearly and write in the comment box what you need, or either you have cleared or not. That's for today's class. Thank you to all.